Rightio, Harry's on. Hey? Is it? Oh my god, it is too. Oh my god. I'm taking my rod down here. What the... Hey? Yeah. What the hell? Oh. Oh. I'm coming down here.
No.
How do you want me to grab it or what?
No.
Oh my god. What? Oh. Oh, he's in the rock, he's fine. Oh. How have you done that? What's with you on Mulloway now? You drop one, now you catch one. What? What?
That was second cast.
What? What the hell?
So good. Look at that.
What?
Oh, he's grunting. Okay.
What the hell? I need to get it.
We have done the impossible. That's a nice mully. Did not get it on camera.
I got it.
Jay's got some of it. But let's get him a measure on the brag mat.
Oh yeah, get that brag mat down.
Okay. Oi, come on, buddy.
About 55, 60, 57.
Oi, get your shadow out the way.
Yeah.
50, 56. Oh, how's that?
That is insane. What do they feel like? That's a good eating sign.
Yeah. Look at those teeth. Better not get my fingers stuck in there. Okay, we'll go and get a release on him. Oi, stop it, buddy.
You want me to do it in the water?
Yeah.
Let me take my GoPro off then.
Oh, Jay.
Alright, ready?
Okay. Ooh,
Oi!
It's
Try biting me.
Get under the water, How good's that?
You tried biting me? What the hell?
Little salmon on the pink thing. Catch a loader. Yeah, yo. Once again, another fish off cam. Ow! Oh, that's bad. Another fish off camera. Did he have mates? Oh, yeah. Did you see that? Fish number 5. Are you on? Mob, we are here. Just caught a salmon.
Yeah, that's a salmon.
Now we've just gone and got this baby. He's a pretty looking fella. We'll get him measured up in a second. Right, got him on the rag mat here. Oh, he's sliding off.
Yeah, about 48, 49. Well, he's a bit bent.
He won't go straight. Alright, 48.
1 centimetre off I was. Good size.
48. Alright, we'll get a release on him.
Right.
God, he's not making it easy.
No. There you go.
Oh, right.
Wait, lift him up. Good size.
Oh, I haven't got a photo.
Right there. Mullet. I'll have it under the rock next to the bag, mate, because it's wet.
Right. Ow. It's biting me. Right.
Zoom off, mate.
Off he goes.
Oh.
Yeah, he'll come back. Yeah, should we?
Oh, if he dies, we'll keep him.
I was talking about a flathead.
Oh, I don't think I've got a flathead spot.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Oh my god.
That's not a flathead.
Oh,
Yes, it is. That's another flathead.
oh my god.
That's definitely another flathead. Oh no, maybe not.
Righto, Harry's on again. He reckons it's a flat. No, let's keep him down. Oh, yep. Nah, that's Wade. Oh,
it's another flathead.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it is too. And that's his down there as well. Wait, I'll get over here. That's a better one, I reckon.
No.
Oh my god, what the hell? How are you? I was literally casting out there. Look at all the school of salmon.
Get it out of
Oh
the
my
weed.
God. Oh, there's salmon there. Look at all the school of salmon.
Get it out of
Oh
the
my
weed.
God. Oh, there's salmon there.
God. Where'd old mate go? Oh, he's gone.
He's gone?
Oh.
I think we might need to switch up to a plastic, eh?
Jesus Christ, dude.
Oh, yeah, he's got you in the weed. Yeah, where did this bloody head's gone?
Come on, brother.
What the hell?
You gonna come in now?
2 for 2.
No.
Going. Oh, I'm putting my thing.
Oh, we're up here.
Drag mate ready.
Landed himself.
Drag mats ready. What the hell?
He's better.
I'm in a plastic crisis, so I can't use plastic.
Oh!
That's a better one.
Yeah, he's a good one.
Mob, give me your plastic.
Oh!
Rightio. I reckon this one will be...
Oh, God.
I think it'll be better. I think he might be 51. Shorter.
Oh, God!
48 again, 47, 46. Yeah, he's wider though, that's why it looks bigger.
Yeah, 47.
Yeah.
Oh, no, 48 actually, I reckon.
So you've just got a 49 and a 48.
Oh, no, that's a 47.
No, wait, no, 48, 47, that was
Yeah.
two sizes.
Right. We'll swim off over here in the shallow.
Yeah.
How's that? 2 and 2 casts. Oh, Jesus.
There we go.
Off he goes. He's a lively one. Big girl. How good's that? So clear as well. Just gonna sit just there. Sick. Going spastic down here. They're going there everywhere. This is decent, dog. This is definitely decent, dog. Oh! Yeah, look at this decent dog, mate.
Make that 4-1.
What?
Oh, you fucking thing. Oh,
Look how big mine is.
look how big mine is.
Oh! Not as big as mine though. Oh! Oh, come on.
Why was my first one a good one? That big.
Oh, yep. Jay. That's a mully. Yes, it is. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Yep. Oh, you're kidding me.